Been here for literally not even 30 seconds. Callie's already like out to go see the friggin' things. Well, we had some complications getting here. The keys got locked in the car. AAA had to be called, and then I had to be the one to... Oh no. My guy, this is not your house. I have to kill him before Callie gets here. Yeah, the horses like you. That's good. That's good. Keep looking at the horses, Callie. Because, I don't know what that is, but it looks, not good. Yeah, looks better now. Get out of here. Alright, well, now that I won't die. Oh man, I should have checked that. I should know better from living in Florida. I still check my shoes. I still check my shoes, like, after living in Florida, you know, you gotta check your shoes. One time I went to school, there was a friggin' roach in my shoe. The whole time. I had no idea. Alright, well, basically, we come in here, make sure there's no dangerous bugs. Ugh. This thing right here, I have to swap out because this happened. So, oh great. Oh wait, no, we took the battery out. Okay, that's good. Alright, so, I watched a video yesterday on this. I'm still not entirely sure of how to do it, but I'm gonna try my best and hope that I can get this freaking thing fixed, because I literally snapped it in half and you guys are about to see that. So, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and you gotta take this off, I think. Actually, no, I shouldn't have to. I don't know. I'm gonna go get my tools. I need 13 and a impact and an extension. Behind this, there's 13 mils, so you go up in there, you get those off with a 13 mil, and this should fall. Next is these freaking, what I assume are T30s. And yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think there's 7 of these, I hope. That's all I can see. But you can see right here where that just completely snapped off. Well, that's part number 1 that just came out. And so this doesn't fall up, but you can see, I guess that's what happens to these. Not sick. Alright, well, I got this out. We all have bad days, you know, right, Callie? Yeah. She snapped this thing off. So, you know, figure it out. Okay, so I snapped this off. Now that I got this off, I get these guys off. Yeah, you can use it, yeah.
You left the tool over here.
Yeah. Okay, so here's the lever. I just transplanted my first thing, so, you know, that's kind of cool. This lever I had to put in by hand with my bare hands. So that's it's pretty legit, tight and sick, so we'll go ahead and flippity flop this Gorgon right in there. This thing. What?
Nothing.
Are you okay? No, I'm coming, Callie, I'm coming. What up?
This fly keeps biting me and I can't get it.
What are you trying to get? Just this?
Just these guys off.
These guys, you need an extension? There's one right there.
No, I just
Maybe
need a longer ratchet.
Oh, you stole my ratchet is what you're saying.
You left it
what
here.
What the frick? Yeah. No. No. Yeah.
Can you hold my bars?
Yeah. Callie. Which way are you going?
Left.
Righty.
Tighty. Lefty. Loosey, right?
No.
Lefty.
Counterclockwise, Callie. Oh jeez. You almost snapped the freaking in the triple clamp too. That would have sucked. That's an expensive part.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Undo the things. I'm just going to kick through it.
No.
Kick through the bike. What? Did you post a picture of the bike with no handlebars? About to go riding XD.
Oopsie.
Can't wait, XD. Gotta have that edit. Open the books. Almost doxed your shit.
Damian.
Just punch it.
No, I'm gonna get. No, don't. I'm opening.
I want to chop it.
Can you grab me?
Oh, open them with your old handlebars.
No, can you grab me?
Oh, you can make an e-brake.
See all the sand that just.
You can make
out?
an e-brake handle.
Can you just grab me my keys? They're in my car.
No, you can use mine though.
Okay. We don't litter.
Not even for a second. Just throw it back in. But look at like all this shit.
Wow, they're very different.
Yeah.
Like the whole like. Holy cow.
Yeah.
My arms.
So take this pad off.
Why?
Just take the pad off.
Okay. Oh, I need to.
Yeah. To bolt it up. But I just want to show you why they're different. No, Callie, they're Velcro.
Can you not post this?
You've never done this
I got to work an hour early today, okay?
Look at that shit.
We don't litter.
Just make sure you hurry up before the coyotes come. So come see how like
I got it.
these are super wide.
Wood's high.
Like look,
Yeah.
no, like look over here.
Oh yeah.
That's why you need those adapters.
Well,
but those
I got
adapters, they're right here.
Why are you moving all my stuff?
Because we gotta use those. Fix this and then you can go fucking play.
I don't want to play.
You could fix this
I'm not
first,
in proper
and then you
gear
can
to
go
play. You're supporting now.
Well, that did not fucking focus. Look at your levers are the funniest part. It's like whiskers.
I know, they're just dangling
But
down.
as you guys can see, Callie, put your arms on the bars. Yeah. See how like that riser right there? This is like, it's not just an adapter. Like mine are just adapters. Those are actually risers and also adapters to make it go. I think this is 3/8 the stock bar to 7/6. No, I don't even know. It's like 1 in something. I'll put it on the screen. The size is difference, but
That scares me.
But yeah, you can see her arms are like when they're bent. Her elbow is at like a 90-degree. Stop doing that! Don't do that, Callie. Stop. No, just like put. It's so normal, damn it. Yeah, see, it's just like put your arms normal.
What if I rolled like this? Oh.
You'd break your shit real quick. But they're at like a 90-degree angle, whereas before her hands were probably down here.
I just want to stand. I could do it.
Yeah. Does that feel a little bit better? You're not gonna know until you're riding it.
I know, because I'm like, I'm tipping over, so I'm scared I'm gonna fall.
Yeah. So anyways, we gotta put the new
Just
grips
sitting
on.
feels better, though.
This is the best way to put friggin' grips on. I don't care what anybody says. Grip glue is stupid. Soap and water is stupid. This stuff slippery, but then when it dries, it'll make it so that the friggin' grips
Is that how
don't
you
move.
did yours?
Yep, that's how I
Okay.
do all my grips on anything ever.
Just making sure.
Yes, ma'am. So I did them on the street bike. That's how I do it on all the things. Look at the goat.
I can't turn around.
Yeah, you can. You can go down that way and just go up. Well, the bars work. The bars are definitely bars. So, this has probably been a really, really weird format of a video because I've been trying to rush and get everything done, but I mean, all right. So here's the thing. I got this on. This seems like it's in the right spot, but it seems a little rough. And I don't think it should be that rough. And also, I can't pull this down, so I am not gonna, yank on that. I followed all the steps. I don't know what else it could be, but yeah, I don't know, guys. It's kind of bummed out, but at least there's a friggin' little car meet we can go to. Alright, well the van's friggin' has our bikes back in it. I know you guys might like the fact that I can't ride because, you guys don't like those videos, but it's really fun and I'm really upset that I can't ride. I really wanted to ride. This is going to be the 3rd weekend in a row. Can't ride my dirt bike. So, not sick. But we're going to go to this freaking car meet. And yeah, fun fact, this toolbox I made in manufacturing class, like sophomore year of high school. Still use it. It's a good box. I forgot my camera recording. Just drove away and I'm like, oh wait a minute. I don't want to leave that, you know?
Wherever everyone else is parked. That thing's sick.
That's tight. Pretty cool, meat. Can we pop your hood, please? Why not? This like is monster in here. Ask him if he wants to buy a 6-liter.
How about 2? 2?
By 2? It's pretty sick though. So yeah, we're at a car meet now. There's a cool Tercel over there. That's a sick color. I like the white on white on this. That's a Fiero, so that's cool. I think white on white is the only color match that looks good.
I do too, and a lot of people hate it.
Nah, I don't hate white on white at all. Black on black is hideous. Yeah, so I'm just sitting at my car, answering questions about my car here. It has the engine over here. This has this is a RB20E. You know what that is? RB20E. This is an RB20E. It has DC Sports headers, Skunk 2 intake manifold, CX Racing, CX Racing manifold. Yeah.
eBay turbo.
Yeah, no, it's an RB20E. That's actually just the air condenser. That's for the AC. Yeah. So if anyone has questions about my car. Shit. Callie, quick. Callie, cover the area. Quick, no one can see that your car does this.
It's gonna come out just
I don't think the camera even saw that. Well, it's good now. It's not as ratchet.
Remember grade.
Oh, God. Ice. La inmigración. Dude, look at this fucking guy just pulled up, dude, with that E30. We'll be back. What's going on, dude?
What's up, man?
What's up?
What's up, man? How are you? How's it going?
I seen you from deep, dude. I was like, yo, is that fucking AJ just pulling up?
Oh, yeah.
You guys squatted up.
These are fun. There's so many nice people. Like, how many people did we meet tonight?
A lot of people. It was cool. Nice meet, you know, not too far either.
Yeah.
For me, anyway. For you, kind of far.
It's like the same distance as the shop. If I
Yeah.
go from my house to the shop.
Alright, well, we out this business. Alright, guys, well, I'm about to finna edit. You know, got the setup. Got my setup, you know. Just gotta import and shit, you feels. But, yeah. So, it was weird to film today because it was like one of those days where I was just kind of like hanging out with Callie and like, you know, there's just some things that like just don't need to be filmed, you know, I'm just trying to have a good time and stuff. So, yeah, but I enjoyed the meet. Still not too sure what's wrong with the van steering shifting thing. But maybe I put in like one part backwards or something like that, but I'll figure it out. It shouldn't be too hard now that I got like the gist of like how to do it. But yeah, tomorrow we're going to go to Callie's house and work on her Z because she got some recent motivation to work on that thing. So I like that. That's pretty cool. So we're going to go work on her Z tomorrow and I will see you guys then. I hope you guys enjoyed what I did put out because I wasn't really going to film, but I figured I could film something. Maybe, you know, I'm not expecting everyone to love it, but if you guys enjoy this type of content, let me know and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't liked the freaking video and last 2 days on the shirt. Link will be in the description. Pick up the merch. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.